Swift Plumbing, customer 4748, replaced the bad valve, got a new supply line there. Also stuck a flapper on for him, got rid of that one, doesn't seem large enough to cover the hole, and put a new handle on there. The other one came up to right about here, didn't really work the way it was supposed to, but we are back in business here. Flapper goes down properly. No leaks or drips at the new shutoff valve. The valve does shut the water off completely now. And we are going to leave the outside water off because nobody is in the residence at this time.